Hi guys, this is Krzesniak with Dreamhouse team with Keller Williams Landmark 2. Today I would like to introduce a very special guest today, Victor Andrade from Meadowbrook Mortgage Bankers. And we want to talk today about the predictions for 2019. Are you interested? What do we think? What's going to happen next year? Let's roll it. So Vic, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And then, what do you think? What's going to happen next year from your point of view, bankers' point of view?
I think that next year is going to be a very good year. I think that a lot of people are going to be looking to purchase, and a lot of sellers should be looking to sell. I think the market is going to, balance out because I believe we actually are in a balanced market right now. Sellers need to understand that buyers are smarter and have lost some purchasing power over the last year or so because the rates have been continuing to go up. The smart seller will sell the beginning of the year because they don't want to start competing with all the sellers that are going to be selling in the summer. And the smart buyer is going to be looking to purchase now before the next rate hike at the beginning of next year.
Exactly. So basically, I don't agree with you 100% about the balanced market. I think it's already a buyer's market in Queens in here, but that depends on the location also. So yes, looks like the market is shifting down. I mean, it's shifting from what we had like a 10 or 11 years ago, and that's become more a buyer's market. So your predictions are then the rate's going to go up.
Yes, the rates have gone up. Obviously, over the last year, buyers have lost about 10% purchasing power from the beginning of this year.
Wow.
Okay, that's a lot, right? Which is why the property values have gone down and there's more inventory. Okay, because naturally that's just going to happen. The inflation has stabilized, which is a good thing, and unemployment is so low that it's going to be natural that the rates are going to go up. Now, over the last couple of weeks, because inflation has stabilized, the rates have maintained. But the federal government did announce that there will be one more rate hike in the next month.
Mhm.
Now, I don't know if it'll be the end of the year Fed meeting or it could probably be the beginning of next year. But that's yet to be determined.
Yeah. So you see, so buyers looked at lost the 10% of their buying power because of the rates went up, and looks like I just checked the numbers in Queens in the last 12 months. The prices went up 5%. So basically, the gap will be bigger. So the sellers basically has to realize to adjust the price if they really want to sell it, because they're
Absolutely.
not going to be able to do.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Buyers are very smart these days. They're very savvy. They do their due diligence. If they know that a property is overpriced, they will do comparables and they will do searches, and they're not going to overspend on a property that's not worth it. Sellers need to really adjust and be more realistic about what's happening. Yeah, even though I think it's a balanced market, it'll probably be maybe even be a buyer's
Mhm.
market, right? But I think the sellers really need to start understanding what they're getting themselves into. But at the end of the day, but it's still a very, very good market. It's still a great market. This is still New York City. It's a great time to invest, and it's a great time to get into the market and really start building your portfolio.
That's correct. And again, about the numbers, the number of closed transactions comparing to the last year went down around 6%. Number on contracts went down almost 13%. So those indicates then the market is shifting down.
Absolutely.
And then also the absorptions rate. Right now we got over 3,000 properties for sale in Queens. So, and with absorptions rate of close to 8 months. So let's say if since today,
Wow.
not even one realtor will list one property for sale, we still got an inventory for next 8 months, and the inventory will build up.
Yes,
Will
absolutely. And I think that's just going to show you that sellers really need to realize this, that inventory is building up, and it's not because of a lack of buyers. Let me tell you, there's not lack of buyers. There's a lot of buyers. There are a lot of buyers looking to purchase. They want to purchase. They're just outpriced. They're being outbidded in some areas, but the prices are too high, and they're not willing to go up as high as the price of the house were going to.
So basically, both the buyers know how much they want to spend it and how much the bank's gonna give them money, right?
100%.
And the sellers has to realize and adjust their thinking what they can get for the properties, because and otherwise they're not gonna be able to sell it. Doesn't matter who they're gonna hire. This is not about real estate brokerage. This is about the prices.
Correct.
This is a supply and demand.
Them being realistic about what the market is calling for.
So basically, yes. You know what? The 10 years ago when we had a shift we had a great year. We had a lot of transactions. People get this information. I think this year, the both parties, sellers and buyers, going to get this information even quicker because of the social media and all those other platforms. So I look forward, and for 2019 will be a great year, really. And we're working with a lot of investors and the sellers. But they have to be, both parties has to be realistic. And the buyers, if I'm telling the buyers, if you find your dream house and this is the house,
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger. Don't wait till spring, because who knows what's going to happen in spring. Same with when I'm having a conversation with the sellers. Said, I don't know what's going to happen in 3-4 months. If the rate's going to go up again, your selling price will go down.
Absolutely.
This is how it is. So looking forward for a great year for 2019.
Absolutely, me too. I'm very excited.
So we are close to the Christmas time. Are you ready for Christmas?
Absolutely, and the new year.
You got the presents for your kids?
Absolutely, everything's wrapped up and ready to go.
All right, great. So, guys, thank you very much for your time. We are very optimistic for 2019 for both buyers and sellers. So, watch our YouTube channels and our videos for another information what's gonna happen in a very recent time in the real estate market and bankers market. So, guys, thank you very much. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and happy and prosperous 2019.
Thank you.